Hello Vasco! Viva Vasco Car! Viva, viva! Are you ready for King Momo? Are you ready for King Momo? Yes! Yes, that's the spirit. Well, I now read out my decree for the Viva Carnival 2026. Can I have your attention, please? The King Momo Decree 2026. Your cards, friends. Welcome to my magnificent kingdom of Goa. I am your very own King Momo, who shall reign supreme throughout the carnival. Without further ado, I hereby declare the carnival festivities open. Come and join us in celebrating the extraordinary event that is Carnival 2026. It is time, dear subjects, to set aside all your stresses, relax, and truly enjoy the experience that is life. Eat, drink, and make merry. Whether young or old, sick or bold, the carnival tradition demands that you move your hips, tap your feet, and dance non-stop to the rhythm of the beat. I expect each and every one of you to dance your heart's content. Let peace, joy, fun, frolic prevail across Goa during my reign. Forget all your worries and pressures of modern living. Be happy and make others around you very happy. Long live Carnival! Viva Goa! Viva Carnival! Viva Goa!
ये एक परंपरा, this lovely tradition we have kept going for several years. In Goa, all festivals people love to celebrate, and one such lovely festival is the Carnival. सगळे लोक एकठांय येवन म्हणजे मजा करता. It is just before the Lent period when you have to actually sacrifice in many ways, including what you eat for those who believe in that. And it is actually good for health, but at the same time making merry also is good for health. Carnival is all about celebrating, forgetting everything. And I have my colleague Mr. Daji Salkar, MLA of Vasco and also the SPGDA chairman. It is in his constituency every year we start the floats and we flag them off. But what is most important is you see all the councillors led by the carnival, their carnival committee president Angelo Nunes, along with all his colleagues. You see smiles on their faces because they love celebrating carnival. Vasco has been traditionally celebrating each and every festival. People are so kind to each other, the generous nature, the joy, the vivre, what you see in the people here, I think that is what you see everywhere in Goa. So Viva Carnival, long live Carnival.
The third day today running, and the fourth day today we are having a grand Carnival float parade route. We are having about 50 floats coming up in the line. We have a king, queen, Viva Joshua, and we have the king, Mr. Viva Carnival, Viva Vasco. Viva.
आज गोंयांतलो कार्निवल आसा. गेले 4 दीस म्हाका दिसता गोंयभर आज आमी एन्जॉय करता. आमी एकसारात सदांच राविल्ले आसा आनी आज तुमी हांगा पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार सगळे लोक हांगा गोंयांतलेच न्ही जाल्यार देशभरांतले देशाचे भायले पसून लोक येवन आज कार्निवल हांगा मनयतात. कार्निवल हो आमचे नॅशनल मॅपार घालपाचें एक फेस्टिवल आसा आनी ह्या फेस्टिवलाक म्हाका दिसता सगळे लोक आमी हिंदू जावं क्रिस्तांव जावं मुस्लीम जावं मोठ्या संख्येन आमी ह्या कार्निवलान पार्टिसिपेट करता आनी त्या खातीर आज खूब बरें दिसता. आतां हाजे फ्लॅग ऑफ जातले आनी खुबश्यो फ्लोट्स म्हाका दिसता ह्या वर्सा खुबशे फ्लोट्स आमी नवीन नवीन पळयल्ले आसा. सगळ्यांक हांव शुभेच्छा दिता. देव बरें.
2019 fighter aircraft, anti-submarine aircraft, Camel 21, early warning aircraft. Field operations in both depicting maritime might, strategic readiness and three-dimensional dominance at sea, in air and beneath the waves.
तुमी पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.